Hello, and thank you for joining us for a web.com video tutorial. This guide focuses on our websites using the WordPress platform. In this video, we will cover the various ways to create a WordPress page and a blog post. While logged into WordPress, at the top of your WordPress site, you can create a page by clicking the plus symbol here. You can access it from the sidebar list, from Pages to Add New, from within Pages and All Pages. You can click the Add New button at the top, or Site Origin Page Builder if the plugin is installed. You can also access it from the edit screen of any existing page. Back on the WordPress dashboard, you can also do the same steps to create a blog post. From the top, go to New and then Post. From the side, you can go here to Add New. From All Posts, you can click Add New in the drop-down list, or you can choose Site Origin Page Builder to use the Page Builder widget if the plugin is installed. Lastly, you can create both of these if you're logged into WordPress while viewing the website from the top bar as well. And that is how you create a new page or a blog post while using WordPress. Thank you for watching our video guide for WordPress websites. We hope you enjoy the rest of our videos. Check back later for future tutorials.